Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Honor 8A versus the Oppo A1K. And this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor with a 2GB RAM, while the Honor 8A comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 2GB RAM with a fingerprint scanner there. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And logo came first on the Oppo A1K and Honor 8A is right behind. Both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display with a water droplet notch. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And Honor 8A is just a tiny bit faster there, and Oppo A1K is also done just a tiny bit difference there, so everything is closed up in the background. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and faster on the Honor 8A, and Oppo A1K is right behind. So next up is the settings, faster on the Honor 8A and Oppo A1K is right behind. Mic lock, faster on the Honor 8A again, and Oppo A1K is also done. So launching the calendar, faster on the Honor 8A and Oppo A1K is right behind. So launching the calculator, again faster on the Honor 8A and Oppo A1K is right behind. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and again faster on the Honor 8A with a faster processor, and Oppo A1K is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there. So next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and Honor 8A is done, and followed by the Oppo A1K as well. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And again Honor 8A is faster, and you can see, and Oppo A1K is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera. Here we go, and faster on the Honor 8A and Oppo A1K is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones and same Wi-Fi network. First website we have is the wikipedia.org, and faster on the Honor 8A and Oppo A1K is also done. So next website is the apple.com on both phones, and just a tiny bit faster on the Honor 8A. Yes, it is faster than the Oppo A1K, and you can see, and Oppo A1K is also done, and you can see looks very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and both phones comes with a 2GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference with the RAM measurement, and that got refresh on both phones, and that is refresh on the Honor 8A, and that is not refresh. Again refresh on the Honor 8A, but the Oppo A1K so far is really good in the RAM measurement. Only one application is refresh, but the Honor 8A is very bad in the RAM measurement right now. And you can see, and the games is also got refresh on the Honor 8A, but the Oppo A1K is looking much better than the Honor 8A when it comes of the RAM measurement. Last we have the internet browser on both phones, and overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Honor 8A, and Oppo A1K is right behind to the Honor 8A. RAM measurement is just a tiny bit good on the Oppo A1K, and Honor 8A is having a very bad RAM measurement, and overall I'd say very bad RAM measurement on both phones. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates in the future. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Honor 8A versus a Oppo A1K. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.